Hi, everyone. I want to give a brief introduction to the slideshow that we have posted here for assistive technology. The idea behind this is that these are tools that can be recommended for any student, not just students that are on IEPs, although it's great for them too. This is great for education, special education professionals to have in their arsenal, and any special ed students that use Chromebooks could certainly make use of a lot of these tools, but these are really for any teacher to recommend to their students. And so what we have here is a slideshow that can be used as a frame of reference, and I just wanted to give a brief introduction of how it's set up. What we originally took a look at was the fact that we are often inundated with these huge lists full of great tools that are extensions and apps and all kinds of other things that we can use, but they end up being lists of 20 and 30 and 40, and it's hard to know what's good and what's not. And so a couple of years ago, a couple of teachers sat down and started to try to just vet out a small number. Originally shot for 7, and I think we've got 1 or 2 more now, as kind of the go-to apps that we wish all students knew how to use. And an important distinction is this is not about how teachers use them. There's certainly tools here that teachers could use too, but the idea behind this is to make sure that we empower the students to be able to use these, just like they know how to use their cell phones in order to get a bigger screen or to be able to voice record something or take a quick video. We want these to be skills that they have in their back pocket so that they can use them anytime they see fit. So each slide is going to include certain things that are mentioned on the first slide. But as we look around the screen itself, there's a video, usually from the site itself, as to how to use it. You can click through that. There's a screenshot of what it looks like in the Google Store. And that might change a little bit depending on how the Google Store changes, but there is a screenshot for what you're kind of looking for when you go to find this in the Google Play Store. And then there's also some bullets that show what are the reasons or what are the features for it. So, for example, this one on Kami, it tells what it does and then tells some of the reasons why a student might use it or why a teacher might be really interested in recommending it to a student. At the bottom for each one is also the directions as to how to get to it in the Chrome store. The link will usually take you directly to it, and you can download it straight from there. All of these have to be done using Chrome browser, and so they work on Chromebooks and they work on Apple laptops. They will look different as an iPad app. Some of them are available in the Apple Store, but they are going to look different. The last thing to note is at the top corner on each one in yellow with a little flashy blinky bulb there is the category itself. Something really important to note is that some of these individual tools may change over time. They may change their function. They may add a paywall in which they can't really be used by students anymore because now they charge for use. But the important thing to understand is that we're really going for a transferable skill. So if you know that something like Kami is a PDF annotator, and you know that how a student will use that, if Kami isn't available, you'll know that you can go out to Google and do a search for Chrome Store PDF annotator. You can go directly into the Chrome or the Google Play Store and look for a PDF annotator. So that's what the tech category is. In the case of needing to make an adjustment or to find a suitable alternative, that's the category where you might begin your search. I hope that you find this helpful, and please feel free to contact Anthony Von Bank or Paige Holtz if you have any questions about any of these, and absolutely explore and experiment on your own. Thank you very much.